YouTube? I'm just getting ready. I decided I'm gonna paint the machinist vise. I'm gonna paint it I'll use what I got. I got gray. Anyway, I'm just putting a wire on here. See, because if you look at this machinist vise, there's really no place to hook it. So either put it down flat and spray paint it and hope for the best, or I hang it by a wire. So I'm gonna hang it by this wire, and knowing me, it's probably gonna rip right off and fall. But I'll try. Anyway, I got that on the wire. I got this little piece. I don't know if you can see it here. This piece is hanging on another piece of. It's actually a TIG wire. I use sometimes the TIG rods for other things. The bulk of it right here, I put it on a board because there is no way in heck this thing is going to hang anytime soon. Plus, there's no place to hang it. I could put a bolt in it and hang it up, but that sucker is really heavy. After I'm done that, I'm gonna probably make a video and mesh it in with this one. I'm gonna stand up my camera here and use my buffer and just buff this a little. And then after it dries, probably tomorrow, I'll put it all back together. I will attempt to put this on camera tomorrow. When it's done, maybe I'll take a few pictures and show it hanging up. But I'm going to open up my garage door, spray paint it. I'm trying not to get too much, what do you call it, paint residue, fumes, I should say. And also, if anybody's painting, I highly recommend you use one of these. You could spray paint all day long with this. Well, not all day, maybe. But you use these if you can find them. I know there's a pandemic going on. Good luck finding filters in this. But these freaking things are amazing. I was spray painting in here and I couldn't smell a thing. I was grinding in here and could not smell a thing. Finding these now is like finding gold. So, you want to buy some gold for your garage, you buy this kind of gold. It'll keep the stuff out of your lungs and keep you safe. Anyway, that's my next small video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, leave a comment. I also got a new mic, so you might be able to hear me now. Actually works pretty good. I'm amazed. I don't have to scream and yell and talk loud anymore. Everything's just noisy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Yeah, this little spot here has a tiny little bird. It's the only real modification to this, or actually repair. The only real repair I've done to this device. Everything else I've left pretty much normal. I gotta put, probably somebody dropped it. So anyway, I have to tape this up here, close to the edge as I can. I'm not good at masking. Not good at this. I hate using masking tape. I'm terrible at it. It's okay though, I can grind the paint on the thing. About years. Can't find it, grind it. Alright, anyway. I got one little strip to paint in here. Well, I need a tiny spot. Hoping I get it right. There we go. That's the one little piece of gray I gotta paint. There's one. I'll do this one. There's this one. It's not the greatest, but it works. As long as it covers it up, I'll be happy. For this, I got a little spot there I missed. I'll do another piece. I'm also going to paint the bottom of the machinist vise. Which that I'm just going to give it a quick spray. So I'm trying to get it lined up. This tape is, I don't know, too old. So anyway, that's what I'm painting up here. Painting this. And then I'm going to paint that. And then hopefully tomorrow I can oil it up and put it all back together. Hopefully. Anyway, thanks for watching and like and subscribe.